Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming back to you guys with a unboxing. I have, as you can see, a pair of Naked Wolf shoes. The first pair I've ever gotten, I was supposed to do unboxing to it, but I really didn't. But I'll insert a picture here. The shoes that they are. It was only one pair, and they recently just had a, I think, 4th of July sale. Maybe wasn't recent, but yeah, it was 4th of July sale for 50% off of their website. So you know, I had to get a pair of shoes. It was basically buy one get one free because the two pair of shoes I got were the same price and they were 50% off each. So basically I bought a pair of shoes for the original price and got one for free. Either way you put it, got two. Two. So here they are. The first pair of shoes I got are, the style is called Jingle, and it's sheep leather. The color is a Barbie pink, and my size is US 10. So here we go. Cute packaging. Little classic. Look at them. That's the classic little Naked Wolf Jingle. Buckle is bedazzled and beautiful. A little emblem here, under there, back here. Okay. I love the square toe. I know they're gonna fit beautifully. I wish I could try these on for you. It's not gonna be a try on because I definitely needed a pedicure. Only I could try one shoe on for one foot, but I'm just gonna wait till I get a pedicure. But here we go. Up and close and personal. I love the heel, love the back. So beautiful. I cannot wait to wear them. So, on to the next. The unbox is called, they're in the same exact size, 10 US. Color is white, and the style is a mystery, and it is also sheep leather. So I'm guessing all their shoes that have that type of soft leather feel is sheep leather. I don't know if that's good or bad or what, but I love them. Anyway. And it comes in nice and packaged pretty, but here they are. These are definitely giving me all the way Bratz vibes. All their shoes kind of give me Bratz vibes, but these ones especially. I love how this emblem is shiny, and these are more of a wedge. I think I'm going to be wearing these to the wedding that I have coming up. It's not my wedding, but this one doesn't have a little emblem. It does have the bottom feel nice and smooth. I do feel like I'm probably might slide around, but who knows. Here's them far away. I like this toe shape, but overall, here they are. Let's take this out. I should put that out. And it goes around the ankle. All these go around the front. This goes around the ankle. Very cute, very sturdy. If I find a cute outfit to go with these, I will be doing a lookbook for them. But for now, here they are. I love them so much. Would not trade them for the world.